from Creative Maple. I just wanted to share a quick router hack with you. This is just a quick hack, something I've found that was useful for me. I'll continue to share some of these things as I see them. I don't pretend to be the world's authority on all things woodworking. I just really enjoy it, and if I have something that's useful to you, I'm going to pass it along. Besides the table saw, the router is probably one of the most versatile tools in our woodworking arsenal. I don't know about you, but I'm constantly changing bits. It's just the nature of the game. If I can find a way to save myself even a small little bit of time, I want to do it. So instead of having to take the router bit all the way down and then bring it all the way back up after I've taken the insert out and changed the bit and then have to do that all over again every single time I need to change a bit. Instead, what I did was, what I think JESSM probably should do in the future, is I put a couple magnets on the bottom of the insert, and those permanent magnets will let me get that part out of there and just pick it straight up, as opposed to having to wait until I've cleared the bit by lowering the router and then sticking my finger in there. It just takes too long. This is a relatively cheap hack, and everything that I'm using today I will show you in the description, so you'll have a link for that below. So just take a couple rare earth magnets, little tiny rare earth magnets, you can get them on Amazon. Put those on there with a little bit of CA glue, and you're in business. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, and to keep yourself updated, make sure you subscribe. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye.